it's Kim. It's now Saturday night at 5:27. We're heading out for a couple hours. I accepted a Cheesecake Factory for $17.25 for like 8 point something miles. It's all freeway miles, so I'm hoping it should be pretty quick. I guess a lot of it depends on if the food's even ready. It's Cheesecake Factory, so you just never know. It's supposed to be ready in 2 minutes. So, wish me luck. I'll keep you posted. Dropped off that Cheesecake Factory. That was a super easy one. Food was ready, which was amazing. Drove right here. Dropped it off. Easy. And 2 giant dogs came barreling down the stairs. Luckily, the door was closed. $17.25 for that one. Now here's a $7 McDonald's for 2.9 miles. Not taking that. So now I'm back looking for something. Anyways, that was a nice easy one. Good start. Now we've got 17 bucks and we've been out for 22 minutes.
Not bad.
Not bad, not bad. Now let's hope it continues. Okay, go to Cronies. Let's see if I'll go to Cronies. Nope, not going to Cronies. $6.75 for 3.6 miles. Not going there. Okay. What? You can go whichever way you want. You can talk.
Well, no, I was doing like you're live. So
I'm live. Ooh, I'm not really
quiet.
I'm not really live. I'm recording.
Well,
but yes, Stu's driving tonight, so that's awesome. It really makes life so much easier. Okay, Panda Express, $5.50
oh,
for 4.6 miles.
Well, we need to jump on that.
These are not so good. Well, you know what? We just gotta wait for the good ones. Well, here's a Grubhub. Let's see what this is. $22. So it's a double. This may not be bad actually. Wizen's, Michael's Pizza, and Exotic Thai. Where's that? You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna probably live to regret it, but I'm going to do it. So we gotta go back, so I'll turn around at some point.
Well, I can make a U here. You gotta wait for the light though.
Michael's Pizza. So this will be interesting.
Head west on Thousand Oaks Boulevard, then make a U-turn at Gray Rock Road.
$5.50 pickup. So I wonder if that's really true or if they just sent the orders to them right now, which is what they typically do. They send it to us and to the restaurant at the same time, usually, but we'll see. So it's $58.91 Canaan. I don't know where that is. It looks like it's right in that shopping center that way. North, I guess.
Turn around so you can tell me.
So you're gonna go left on Canaan.
All right.
At the next light, turn left.
McDonald's, $7.75 for 8.1 miles. That McDonald's over here is not easy. Not easy in or out. It's kind of a pain. So
I like
At
this
the light, use the left lane to turn onto Cannon Road.
turn on to Cannon Road. It's in the shopping center right here, I think.
Oh, yeah?
Oh well.
Yeah.
Oh well. Just turn this way. It's fine. I just want to eat my words and apologize to Grubhub. I walked in and the food was ready and he handed it to me. It was awesome. I almost passed out. Maybe this order's been sitting there a long time. Not really sure. But anyways, yay. Now we're on our way to pick up the second half of the Grubhub stacked order. I'll let you know how that goes. Okay, hello passengers.
In a quarter mile, turn right on Reyes Adobe Road.
He called you the passengers.
You just told me to turn left?
Right on Reyes Adobe.
Okay.
We, okay, dropped off the Grubhub, that's done. I have a Ubereats that kind of, a dumb, this is Reyes Adobe here.
I know.
I accepted a dumb one. It was a 7-Eleven for $13.99. It looked like it was going right up there, but it's going way the heck that way. I don't usually have this issue with Ubereats. The map was a little misleading. Anyways, whatever. So now we're headed off to Malibou Lake, which is very pretty, but it's very far. What does it say? 14 minutes. So, anyways, whatever. So, it's beer. 2 cases of beer. The guy...
12 packs. Whatever.
Oh, 12 packs, sorry, whatever. 2 big boxes of beer. And 7-Eleven guy kept trying to give me just a fountain Diet Pepsi. And I'm like, really? Are you sure that's what it is? And he said, I don't know what it is. I didn't tell you this. So I'm like, well, and on my thing, it had like a bunch of numbers. It didn't even tell me what the item was. It said one item, and it had like a order number or something. So he says, well, the only other one I have is for these 2 things of beer. I'm like, well, what do you have for Victor? Victor's, he's like, I don't have anything for Victor. I have this and this. And so anyways, let me restart my app. So he restarted the app, and then Victor's name came up for the 2 things of beer. So I would be pretty amazed if this person paid all this money to have 1 Diet Pepsi delivered, but somebody's obviously paying to have 1 Diet Pepsi delivered. Fountain drink Diet Pepsi. Anyway, so we're on our way. It's now 11 minutes away, 5.2 miles. Not thrilled about this, but oh well. So hopefully I will remember to grab the dash cam video, and you will have seen our drive up here. We kind of came kind of far out here into Malibou Lake, which is a really neat area actually. It feels like you're in the middle of nowhere, and you kind of are, but it's really pretty actually. And we were just talking about it. There's probably a lot of people that have been living out here forever. We saw a couple of them walking. And then there's other people who are building their big mega mansions on the mountain, on the hills. And anyways, Victor, who I delivered to, is working here. They're building a house out there. And he gave me an extra $5 cash, which was kind of nice. And it was $13.99 in the app, the total pay. So anyways, I would not have taken this had I known where we were going, but I'm kind of glad we did. It was a nice little detour. Take a nice little drive out here in the boonies. IHOP to Thousand Oaks. Where's this going? Pretty far. I don't think. You know, I'm gonna take this. IHOP on Canaan. It's taking us back to the TO. I took one. $15. It was a Grubhub. $15 from, not too far from here, back to Thousand Oaks. Excuse me. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for now. Okay, it's very bright. I just want to let you know that that Grubhub was ready. 3 in one night. This is awesome. It was a IHOP. Walked in. I said, okay, well, they're just bagging it up for you. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. So, and it's kind of far to go deliver it. 7.6 miles, 10 minutes. But I wanted to get back over on that end of town because it's already like 7 o'clock. And things usually start drying up pretty soon. So kind of wanted to head back that direction. So that's why I accepted it. And it was 15 bucks. So it's Grubhub, so it won't be anymore, but that's okay. $15 is good. And anything else I should add?
At the next light, turn right.
I don't think so.
The next light, turn right.
Next light, turn right. And hop on the freeway.
And away we go.
I'll be back. Okay, so dropped off that IHOP. Uneventful, very easy. I just accepted a $14 and something cent Amici's over in Newbury Park, so that's a little bit of a drive over there to the restaurant, but it's not too bad of a delivery. And that'll get us over in that neighborhood. We can try that for a while, see how it goes. Pickup time is 7:28. It's 7:15, so that should time out. We'll be there about 7:25 maybe. I don't know. That could take 10 minutes, but oh well. Whatever. So,
Sorry.
it's been decent. We'll see. Amici's can go either way. Let's see if I can get a little small one heading that way. That would be kind of cool. I've got all the apps running tonight. Ubereats. Here's some Chick-fil-A. Let's see where this is going. Oh, no, wrong way. 850 Chick-fil-A. 6.6 miles. Not doing that.
Or do you go down all the way? Or can
Yeah,
I...
yeah, go down.
Okay.
We're not in a hurry. It's something.
Just a better drive.
Yeah, it's a better drive. Ooh.
Ooh.
Camarillo. 1950. 14.9 miles. Decline. Too far. Anyways, it's been an enjoyable evening. We haven't had any weird things happen that I'm aware of, other than the Uber Eats thing was a little strange, but the app seems to be, knock on wood, doing okay. Another Camarillo. 12.3 miles for $15. Too far, too far. Now we're going to be heading into the sun, which is not ideal, but
Yeah, it's...
I don't have sunglasses in here. I should put some in here.
Is there any in the car?
Cheesecake Factory. Ooh, $18.50 for 2 Cheesecake Factories.
Where?
Rancho Caneo and Wild. No, that'll take forever. Decline, too far. Because there's like a little hill in the way, so you've got to go all the way around to go to that one, then back down and all the way around to go to that one. So that could take a long time. Keep the one we have.
What is a woman doing?
I don't know what she's doing. Oh my goodness, CVS. No, thank you. I don't like the shopping ones. It's just not. If absolutely nothing else is going on, then maybe I would do one. Or if it was a really big amount of money for just like 1 or 2 items. Okay, well, that Grubhub was not ready. They about 10 more minutes, so I took I have a Uber Eats for Farmer Boys, which is delivering not very far from Farmer Boys. That was $14.75 ish. Can't remember exactly. And And now I just got a Doordash, $17.25 for 12.5 miles. Not gonna take that one. I've got enough going on. Then I'll go back and get the Grubhub after. Yeah, so that's what's going on. The pizza place, Amici's. He said it'd be at least 10 more minutes, so this should probably take me about 10 minutes. So there we go. I'll keep you posted. Woo! Okay, dropped off the Grubhub pizza. That was $14, I think. And we have nothing right now, so I think we gonna have Grubhub. Heading home, I believe. But let's see. Just got two. Wait, let's see. Spumoni. No, not taking that one. $7.75 to Spumoni. But let's see what we have from Grubhub. $8. Nope. Ooh, that's going far. $8 for 18 miles. Who's gonna take that? Nobody. That was a Grubhub. DoorDash was $7.75 for 2.2 miles. But I'm not gonna do anything for $7.75. Decline. Too small. Anyways, yeah, we're heading home, and if we get something on the way, we'll do it. If not, we're going home. I'm gonna make us scallops for dinner. I'm very excited. And yeah, then we'll add up what we made and I'll put it up here. I think we've done well. It's 2.5 hours basically. Another Grubhub, let's see. $8. No, thank you. Too low. Yeah. So, Grubhub, knock on rubber, really good tonight. Huh. Well, the pizza wasn't ready, but
well, yeah, but that was Amici's too.
that was Amici's. That could be their fault, but still, 3 out of 4 Grubhubs were ready when I walked in the restaurant to pick up the food. That's fantastic. Maybe they have listened to us. Maybe they've changed their strategy for sending drivers. Maybe it's all dumb luck. I don't really know, but I'm happy. So, anyways, I'll let you know if we get anything else. I don't have too high of hopes. It's already 8 o'clock. The city kind of rolls up at 8 o'clock. So, anyways, I'll let you know. But thank you for being our passenger and riding along with us tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remain seated until the car comes to a complete stop.